In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoho Mail for your domain, utilizing their free plan. This guide is going to take you through the entire process from start to finish, ensuring you can enjoy all the benefits of professional email hosting without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to zoho.com and sign up for their free mail plan. Zoho provides a robust suite of email tools, perfect for personal or small business use, and all it requires are a few minutes to get started. Once you're on the site, look up their email solutions and begin the registration process. You'll need to enter some basic information, and just like that, your account has been created. Next, we need to add your domain to Zoho Mail. This step ensures that all emails sent and received will be routed through your custom domain. In order to do this, you'll need to verify ownership of your domain, and for that, we head to HostGator cPanel where your domain is registered. Once you're in the cPanel, you'll add a TXT record to the DNS settings, which is essentially a proof for Zoho that you own the domain in question. Ensure that you follow the instructions given by Zoho to the letter, copying and pasting exactly as instructed to avoid any errors. The next step involves configuring the MX records in your HostGator account. This is an essential step because MX records are what tell the internet world where to direct your emails. So head back to the DNS settings you navigated to earlier in HostGator. Here, you need to input the specific Zoho Mail server details into the MX record fields. Enter the priority and address as directed by Zoho's setup instructions and save your changes. With your domain and email routing sorted, you're now ready to create your very own email accounts on the Zoho Mail dashboard. Feel free to create as many accounts as your plan allows, perhaps one for yourself, your colleagues, or departments within your company. You can manage these accounts right from the dashboard, adding new ones or modifying existing ones with just a few clicks. Finally, to round out the process, you will want to explore Zoho Mail's user interface. Log into your account, and you'll find a user-friendly webmail service packed with features. Here you can access and manage all your emails easily, whether it's sending new messages, organizing existing ones, or setting up folders and filters to streamline your workflow. And that covers it. You've successfully set up your Zoho Mail with your custom domain. Now you can enjoy professional communication with a reliable email service. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be well on your way to making the most of what Zoho Mail has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.